Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's sure to captivate drone enthusiasts and content creators alike, the Antigravity A1 Drone, specifically the Infinity Bundle. We stumbled upon this incredible drone and wanted to share all the details with you. If you're interested, we've included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Antigravity A1 Drone? This innovative drone, powered by Insta360, is the world's first 360-degree foldable drone. It captures stunning 8K video, allowing you to shoot once and explore endlessly. With its ability to record everything around it, you can relive your adventures from every angle in crystal-clear resolution. Now, let's talk about some of the most important features that set this drone apart. The Infinity Bundle comes with everything you need to get started: 3 high-capacity flight batteries, a charging hub, a motion controller, immersive goggles, a durable carry case, and even spare propellers. This extensive package means you won't have to worry about running out of battery during your flights, giving you longer and more enjoyable flying experiences. One of the standout features of the Antigravity A1 is its immersive 360-degree flight capability. When you put on the vision goggles, you're not just piloting a drone, you're stepping into a truly immersive experience. Unlike traditional drones that restrict your view to the flight path, the A1 allows you to look around freely while you fly. This is made possible through advanced pancake optics and dual 1-inch micro-OLED displays, which provide an unparalleled level of immersion. Another incredible aspect of the A1 is its fly first, frame later feature. This means you no longer have to stress about capturing the perfect shot mid-flight. With the A1's 360-degree capture, you can film everything at once and reframe your footage later. This is especially beneficial for those who might be new to flying drones or for those who simply want to enjoy the experience without the pressure of nailing every shot. So, who is this drone suitable for? The Antigravity A1 is perfect for content creators, adventurers, and anyone